जी हाँ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਨਿਮੀ ਬੇਦੀ's ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਟਾਈਮ ਫਰੋਮ ਰੇਡੀਓ ਸਪਾਈਸ। ਅੱਜ ਕੁਝ ਦਿਨ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਬੋਲਣੀ ਪਵੇਗੀ। ਮਾਫ ਕਰਨਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਬੋਲਣੀ ਪਵੇਗੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਦੱਸਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਐਂਡ you will be happy to hear that I will be using English language today along with Punjabi language because we have a very beautiful, lovely, gorgeous lady in our studios today. And अच्छा, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਦੱਸਦੀ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਨਾਮ ਦੱਸਣ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ I would like to say a hello because मैं Kiora namaste sat sri akal assalamu alaikum कह चुकी हूँ, पर one thing I have to add today and that is Buna Siva. Listen. सुनिया तुसी Buna Siva. Buna Siva केड़ी language है? What country speaks this language? I'm not going to tell you today. I'm just going to tell कि साडे जेड़े आज guest आए ने, her name is Dr. Lucia Davis. Lucia, yes, and it spells like Lucia. Hi Lucia, welcome to Radio Spice. First of all, have I pronounced your name rightly, please?
Kia ora Nimi, namaste. Bună ziua. And warm greetings to you and the listeners of Radio Spice. Yes, you pronounced perfectly. Is Lucia, indeed.
Okay. Isn't it interesting, listeners? Nal mein gal karna chahni hai. Excuse me, I will be interpreting a little bit here and there.
That's fine. It's a beautiful language and it's a privilege to listen to it.
Oh, thank you. All languages are actually beautiful if we give our heart and our ears to it. So, yeah.
It links us with our origins.
Absolutely. So I was going to say कि जेड़ा LUCIA ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ C ਹੈ ਉਹ actually Romanian language ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਚ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੇ I or E ਹੋਏ, right?
So, as you say.
Yeah. So little bit about Dr. Lucia. I would like to say she is a doctor, a PhD doctor. She has done a PhD in a topic which all of us really value. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ topic ਚੁਣਿਆ ਸੀ ਆਪਣੀ PhD ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ inter-ethnic parenting. Parents ਜਿਹੜੇ different ਦੋ ethnicities ਦੇ marriage ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪੈਰੈਂਟਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਵੈਲਿਊਜ਼ ਹੋਣੀਆਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਕੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਪਾਵਰ ਬਣਾ ਕੇ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. ਸੋ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਲੂਚੀਆ ਇਜ਼ ਅ PhD and she is an employee at Auckland Council. Also, she is a radio presenter on Romanian radio and she's a community leader in the Romanian community in New Zealand. And she's a mother and what not. So many hats. Dr. Lucia, welcome, warm welcome. So I would really appreciate if you talk to our listeners and allow me to keep interpreting as well, like about your origin. You originally belong to where? What do you do now professionally and personally?
Certainly, thank you, Nimi. I am from Romania. Now, Romania is that little country in the southern east of Europe. And originally, Romania was divided between three places, Transylvania and Moldavia and the South Romania country. And I am from Transylvania, and probably you know Transylvania from the stories with vampires. And I am exactly. Now, if you wish, we can talk about that. We have a different interpretation of.
That is actually जो दस रहे ने मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਰੈਕੂਲਾ ਨਾਮ ਦਾ ਵੈਂਪਾਇਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਐਂਡ ਚਿਲਡਰਨ ਵੁੱਡ ਨੋ ਮੋਰ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਇਟ. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਡਰੈਕੂਲਾ ਨੂੰ, what Lucia wants to say is ਕਿ ਵੀ ਉਹਦੀ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਇੰਟਰਪ੍ਰੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਵੇ ਨਾਲ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੰਨਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. We would really love to hear about that later in our conversation. So Romania ਤੋਂ ਨੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਲੂਚੀਆ ਔਰ Romania ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ Transylvania ਤੋਂ. You're from Transylvania, right?
So my people, the whakapapa of my people, is stands with the ethnic population there, Dacians they were called. And then at the beginning of the millennium, in the 100, they were conquered by the Roman Empire. So when you asked about my name, Lucia, that's a Latin name. And the Romanian language basically is it's a Latin language. So it's similar to Italian, to French, to Spanish. I can understand actually Italian. I can't really speak it because it's hard for me to choose the words, but yeah, they are very similar. So this is the whakapapa of my people.
Yeah, so ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਬੜੀ ਅੱਛੀ ਟ੍ਰਿਓ ਮਾਓਰੀ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਵੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਲੂਚੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ whakapapa ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੀ ਬੈਕਗ੍ਰਾਉਂਡ ਦੱਸੀ ਹੈ ਟ੍ਰਾਂਸਲਵੇਨੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਲੈਟਿਨ ਨੇਮ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਐਂਡ ਸ਼ੀ ਕੈਨ ਸਪੀਕ ਇਟਾਲੀਅਨ.
I can understand it very well. French was my second language, so yeah.
Do you still speak it?
Yes, I can still speak it.
देखो कितनी खूबसूरत गला. It's really beautiful to be able to speak more than 1-2 languages. Like I can speak Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu, and it's so lovely. And it just comes to you like that, and you connect with people so easily if you know more than one language.
And it's more than that, Nimi. A Romanian linguist used to say that if you know one person, if you know one language, you are one human being. If you know 2 languages, you are 2 people. If you know all the languages in the world, then you are God, because you are actually able to look at the world through all possible perspectives.
Wow.
So
I would love, please repeat it. If you speak one language, you are one person, one human being.
If you speak 2 languages, you are 2 people. If you speak 3, you are 3 people. If you speak all the languages in the world, which is impossible for us, it's possible for the gods, then you are God, because you actually can look at the world through all these perspectives and have all those meanings unfolding in your mind and in the way your mind connects with other minds. So good on you for speaking how many languages, how many people you are.
No, we are not gods yet. When I go in heavens or I don't know where, then I will ask God to teach me all the languages. Because I actually love, my personal feeling is I love learning languages. You know, that's a beautiful thing.
Yeah.
And जो बहुत ही beautiful way ਨਾਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ languages ਬੋਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਸਿੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ, ਜ਼ਰੂਰ learn ਕਰੋ ਜਿੰਨੀਆਂ languages ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ languages they connect you. Yeah.
Yes.
And that is what we require at this moment in the world.
Absolutely.
Look around. World is burning with COVID, burning with sort of hatred, which is not required. Why human beings hate each other, I still wonder. So languages can connect us, just like music. Eh?
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for saying these beautiful words, Dr. Lucia. So, yeah, I must congratulate you on one day. ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਵਧਾਈ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹੁਣੇ 1 ਦਸੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਯੂਨੀਅਨ ਡੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਹੌਲੀਡੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਰੋਮਾਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਯੂਨੀਅਨ ਡੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਹਟਿਆ ਹੈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸੈਲੀਬ੍ਰੇਟ ਵੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਏਗਾ 1 ਦਸੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ which marks the unification of Transylvania with the Romanian kingdom.
Yes.
Right? And Dr. Lucia is from Transylvania. So ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ unification ਹੋਈ 1 ਦਸੰਬਰ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਡੇ ਮਨਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. And how do you celebrate this national day, Dr. Lucia? What are the different ways in Romania and in here? How is it celebrated?
You spoke about connections. We do get together, and this is the first thing. We get together. There is a dance that we call hora, is specific for the Romanian culture, when we all get together in a circle and we hold hands, and then we turn into slowly, and there are specific steps. And hora uniri is basically I see that you are looking for it. So it is really nice.
Is it HORA, right?
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.